Hi friends, I am Martin. He is my friend Ajit Jamadia. He is teach me the own language. Kokborok means Kokborok. Kokborok
Yes.
language.
Kok means
Language. Borok means people. Yeah, that is Macha. I got it.
So you follow me, okay?
Yes, Macha, I will follow you. Teach me. I also learned to Kokborok language. Huh? And
Tripura,
Tirupura.
Haike,
Haike.
yes.
And Tirupura Paike.
Haike, Awan,
Bangui,
Te,
Te,
Nia,
Nia,
Chakui,
Chago, Chakui,
yes, Chakui, Charo,
Di,
Ano,
Ang,
Tripura,
Tirupura,
Haike,
Paike,
Awan, Bangui,
Bangil,
Te, Nia, Chakui,
Chago,
Charo,
Di,
Ang,
Sala,
Kahama,
Kagama. Macha, I did not get your.
Jotono Dipor Kaham,
So did not confirm Kagama.
Jotono,
Jotono,
Dipor
Dibor,
Kagam, Kaham.
Kam.
Yes.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Today is over.
Hi guys. You say hi guys. Hi guys. Jotono Dipor Kaham you say.
Hi guys, Kokborok Kok. That's it, na? That's it.
Ang, say ang.
Ang,
Sela,
Sala,
Zula,
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 Kahama.
Kagama means
Kahama means beautiful.
full.
Ang means I am.
Ang means I am.
Sela means
Sala means
you boy.
boy, okay.
Kahama means beautiful.
Oh, Kagama
am-
means beautiful.
yeah.
I am beautiful.
I am beautiful boy.
Oh, okay.
Ang,
Ang,
Sela,
Sala,
Kahama.
Kagama. I am Sala Kagama.
Yes.
That's it na.
Jotono Phuai Kaham.
Koeng Kagam.
Yes.
Koeng means
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Macha, good afternoon.
Dipor Kaham.
Huh?
Dipor.
D for?
Dipor. D-I-D.
Okay.
P-U-R por. Dipor.
Dipor.
Kaham.
Kagam. Good
Kagam.
afternoon.
Yes.
Oh, Dipor Kagam.
Yes.
That's it.
You say hi guys. Dipor Kagam. You say that.
Hi guys, Dipor Kagam. Now time it's 12 nearby. No, macha?
Already wanted.
Already wanted. Okay. That's it.
Hi guys.
Today is over, guys. Tomorrow will be Ajit is teach me the Kokborok language. Today is over. Bye. Good night.